What is fly tipping? Fly tipping is the illegal dumping of rubbish or bulky items on land that is not licensed to receive it. So what does that mean? If you leave rubbish or bulky items on the roadside, laybys or private land, it is illegal dumping and classed as fly tipping. Did you know? Placing items on the pavement outside your own or even your neighbour's home is classed as fly tipping. What is defined as rubbish and bulky waste? Rubbish can be household waste, discarded clothing, toxic materials or substances, syringes, beer or drinks bottles, cans, and small electrical items, for example, toasters, irons, etc. Bulky waste, however, can be beds, mattresses, fridges, sofas, drawers, cupboards, kitchen units, baths, sinks, and other large items that you would normally find within your house. But do not forget, these lists are not exhaustive. Why is fly tipping illegal? Fly tipping can be dangerous to the public, be dangerous to wildlife, pollute surrounding land and waterways, damage our ecosystems, and it can cost the council taxpayer significant amounts of money to have removed. Householders. Each household is responsible for disposing of their own bulky waste. This can be done by hiring a skip, using a registered waste carrier, disposing of your waste at the local recycling centre, or booking a bulky waste collection through your local council. Registered waste carriers. Did you know only holders of a waste carrier's licence can recover, transport, deposit, or dispose of waste at officially authorised sites? Did you also know? By law, householders are responsible for checking that contractors are correctly disposing of their waste. Ask to see a waste transfer certificate or licence and check the company is registered on the Environment Agency's public register. Bulky waste removal. Your local council does offer a bulky waste removal service, charging a small fee. You can obtain further details by calling 0800 269 098. Bulky waste disposal. Your local council may operate a recycling centre or household waste site where bulky items and household waste can be disposed of free of charge. There are two sites in the borough of East Staffordshire. The first is at Uttoxeter Recycling Centre on Robert Bakewell Way, ST14 5AU, and the second can be found at Burton Recycling Centre, which is on Centurion Way, which is just off Shobnall Road, Burton upon Trent, DE14 2AU. Fly tipping on private land. Private land is land that is not owned by any council. Private land can be owned by individuals or businesses. Did you know? It is the responsibility of the land or business owner to remove any rubbish or bulky waste left on their land by somebody else. Businesses. Any waste that comes from commercial activity is classed as business or commercial waste. Businesses are responsible for disposing of their own commercial waste by using registered waste carriers. You should not allow the waste carrier to dispose of your waste illegally. Your local council may offer a trade waste collection service charging a fee. You can find registered waste carriers on an Environment Agency's public register. Fly tipping penalties. Fly tipping is a criminal offence under Section 33 of the Environmental Protection Act of 1990. A fixed penalty notice of £400 can be issued. The maximum penalty on conviction at a magistrate's court is a fine up to £50,000 or 12 months imprisonment. The maximum penalty on conviction through a Crown Court is an unlimited fine and up to 5 years imprisonment.